Good morning, students. In your 82 twos, 56,564. Remainder is 3,834. Next period is 2 zeros. Now 2,82,841 ones. 2,82,841. Remainder is 1,05,59. This is the remainder. So when you are writing root 2 value, up to how many places we are finding here? Up to 5 places. To round off this decimal value up to 4 places, here in 5th place one is there, this is less than 5. So we have to round off up to 4 places. This value is less than 5, that's why just we have to remove this one. We have to write up to 2. Now root 2 equal to 1.4142. This is the value of root 2 up to 4 decimal places by division method. Finding the square root of root 2 up to 4 decimal places by division method. Similarly, you can find now root 3 also. Next, find the value of root 3 up to 6 decimal places. Up to 6 decimal places you have to find. Similarly, you have to do. Now 3. After 3 you have to take point. Each period you have to take 2 zeros. Now which perfect square goes in 3? Only one only. So 1 ones are 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here point is there. So here you have to keep point. Next period you have to take 200. Now 24 fours. 24 fours. 96. Sorry, it is divisible. 28 eights are 27 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14 plus 4 80. So 27 sevens. 189. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 8 1 0. Remainder is 11. Now 27 plus 7. That is the next divisor. Hundreds place and tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now 27 plus 7. 34. Now in this 3-digit number, tens place is 4, hundreds place is 3. Now for ones place you have to check. Next period is 0 0. Now 343 threes. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. So 343 threes, 1029. Now 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, 71. Now again next divisor is 343 plus 3, 346. Next period is 0 0. Now 3,462 twos. 3,462 twos. 2 twos 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. So 3,004, 6,924. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 2 7. Again 10 minus 9 1. So 176. 3,462 plus 2. 3,464. That is the next divisor. Next period you have to take 2 zeros. So 34,000. This is 17,600. This is 34,640 something. That's why it is not divisible. Here you can take 0. 34,640 zeros. 0. So remainder is 17,600. Next period you have to take 2 zeros. Now 13,640 plus 0. 34,640. Next place you have to check. Now this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. 17 lakhs, 60,000. This one is 3 lakhs, 46,000 something. This is 17 lakhs. So once you check 6, 3 lakhs, 46,000, 4 not 6 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 zeros are 03, 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 lakhs. So not divisible. 34,000, 3 lakhs, 46,640. Sorry, 46,000, 405, 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 02, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 32, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. So 17 lakhs 32,000, 25. So it is divisible. 5s are 17 lakhs 32,000, 25. Subtracting these two. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 27,975 is remainder. Now next divisor is 346405 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 4, 6, 4, 3. 3 lakhs 46,000, 410. One's place you have to check. Now next period is 0 0. Now this value becomes 0 ones, tens. Sorry, tens, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 27 lakhs. This one is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is 34 lakhs. This is 27 lakhs. So again you have to keep 0 here. Here you have to keep 0. Zeros are 0. Remainder is 27 lakhs, 97,500. Again next period you have to take 2 zeros. So 3464,100. 34 lakhs 64,100. Now this becomes 3 crores 46 lakhs 41,000 something. This one is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 27 crores. This one is 3 crores. So approximately once you check 8, 3464,100,08 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 zeros are 06, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 6s are 48, 51, 8 4s are 32 plus 5, 37, 8 3s are 24 plus 3, 27. So 8s are 27 crores, 71 lakhs, 28,604. Now, up to how many places you find here? After decimal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to how many places you have to find? Up to 6 places. Now, root 3 value is 1.7320,508. When you round off this number, this decimal number up to 6 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here after sixth place, number is 8. So this is more than 5. That's why whenever you are removing this digit, you have to round off, whenever you are round off this digit up to 6 places. Here for the previous digit you have to add 1. Now this becomes 1.732051 up to 6 decimal places. So in this way you can find value of root 3 up to 6 decimal places by using the division method in square roots. So first perfect square is 1, 1 is 1 ones are 1. So in the same way you have to do this one. Up to 7 places you have to find. After that, up to 6 places you have to round off. Now this becomes root 3 equal to 1.732051. Similarly, you have to do root 5. Now I'll tell you. Now you have to find the values of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places. This is the homework. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places. Up to now what you listen about root 2 and root 3. In the same way you have to find root 5 up to 3 decimal places and root 7 up to 6 decimal places. These two problems you have to do. So if you have any doubts, you have to ask afterwards. So these two problems you have to do. So you are finding the value of square roots of non-perfect squares by long division method. How to find root 2 and root 3? Already you learned now, just now. You have to find the value of root 5 and root 7. Root 5 up to 3 decimal places and root 7 up to 6 decimal places. Those two problems you have to do. So this is about today's session. Thank you.